Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. Please hit that like and subscribe. Let's start it off early with a quick like and we can get it out of the way. Learn how to make Sicto in crypto watching Wall Street Pete. Uh, let's go right to it. What do we have going on? As I promised, my followers. A little behind, a little late. We tried to get on it. We were having a little difficulty. We're here. We're about 15 minutes late. We are very late, right? I've never been late for much, but hey. Technical difficulties, we were down. What up, Terp? We're going to talk about ANKR. What the hell's ANKR been doing? What do we expect? And technical analysis of what it is. So, let's go. We go right into the charts. As we take a sneak peek, 17 and a half. This is a very, very important price. Okay? Why is 17 and a half important? Well, if you look on my candle that we received on the 4 hourly, so let's get to that really fast because that was what I was speaking of, how we came on at 8, 16 minutes into the candle, right? This is what we were supposed to come on for. If we were on time and we got on here, we would have had a little bit of excitement from 15.8 of a cent, going almost to 16 cents to now hitting our new support line that we're breaking back through. Do you see that this is normal? So what's happening is we fell through our support. Up here, as we learn, right? I mean, I try to make this as easy as possible for everyone. I don't want nobody to get confused. We color code stuff, and this is what we do. So resistance is your orange on top. Yeah, I bought more ANKR at 15 cents too. This is what I wanted to say. This is something crazy. My followers, you've changed me. I actually took all my storage. Okay, so you know my storage. I was talking about storage. You probably see my portfolio if you remember. I actually took it all and converted almost all of it into ANKR. I now almost have $1,000 in ANKR because of you guys, ladies and gentlemen, all because of your support. Technical analysis, you'd made me do more, you'd made me check it, and I started buying more when we were dipping. I had no choice. When I got off on this candle, when we got off, I pretty much got it down at the low on this candle, and that's it. It is what it is. I converted it all into it. I'm very happy. I'm very excited, and Wall Street Pete's going to be on this ride with you, like officially. It's not a lot of money. It's not like any other of my accounts on my other platforms or anything, but you know what? It's fun because I get to enjoy it with you guys. Any money I make, to me, is enjoyable for you. And I had Blake. He gave me the option. He gave me the thought. If you look at my page, if you go into the information, there is a PayPal donation. If you feel, and I don't want you just giving me money. How about this? This is one of our terms. If you start making sick dough in crypto, and this money starts going crazy, and you're feeling in the mood, come on with the PayPal, hook me up, and that's cool. Otherwise, I will never ask you for money. Hit the like and subscribe button. That's what I need you to do. Hit the share button. Tell a friend. That's what I need you to do. I want everybody to understand that there's a good person out here trying to help you. So listen, 17 and a half cents is a very, very important. Now up here, 19 and a half cents is such a huge resistance problem that I don't know how long everyone's patience can take for when we get to 19 cents. From everyone I'm talking to, everyone's impatient. If you look at the flag, we got that correction. If you look at it more in depth, in detail, I want to zoom out more, get a bigger candle. We're doing that J, right? We're forming something nice. I believe that we're forming the beginning of an rising W. I think, now this is just my personal technical analysis right now, I don't have enough meat on the candles. I need a couple more candles, and I don't think I'm going to be awake for it. So I'm sorry to upset you guys, but the thing is when we wake up in the morning, there's a pretty cool chance, Eastern time in the morning, that we're going to be somewhere up here on the new start of April 1st, and we're going to break through the support line, and we're going to have something to talk about. Because what happens when we break through the support line, and this is what I'm predicting the next couple days in April, we're going to break through the 17 and a half cents. That's why this price is so damn important. Now we're here and we're already hitting resistance, and I'm hoping we're just going to get this action because that's what I plan. And then now finally, look what happens. We're now in a rising trend. The downward trend is gone that fast. Would you believe that? Now this is just a prediction. We did not get there yet. We need this time. We need these candles to fill across to show you that this is what I'm talking about. I need you to understand that. So please don't get that screwed up there. I don't want you to say, oh, yeah, tomorrow morning, and then we're down here, and you're pissed off at me because we're down here. I don't see that. I do see this. I honestly do. Like I said, this is the big possibility here. So we're going to go to the moon together. I do agree with that. All of us are going. We're all going together. We're going to be like Elon Musk. You know Elon Musk, how he sends his little ships and rockets to the moon and to Mars? Well, guess what? We're going with Elon Musk. Buy a Tesla, right? We'll buy a Tesla eventually. That's what I'm doing with my Bitcoin. When I have millions of dollars, I plan on buying one, but I'm going to wait for I have like millions. I'm not going to get rid of all my money that's in Bitcoin and lose out on all that. I would be pissed off. That would really piss me off. So remember, this is your support. We will. I'm going to tell you right now. We will meet this support another day. This will not be the last time for Anchor. When I tell you Anchor goes to 50 cents, okay, listen to me clearly. When Anchor hits 40 cents, let's get more realistic, 35 cents, 40 cents, and we're all jumping up and down like little babies, little kids on an ice cream shop, right? In an ice cream shop. You might see something similar to these prices again, this 21 cents. You see where I'm at, 21 cents? I'm trying to explain it to you. When we hit 35 cents, when we start going up here, past here, and we start smashing through these prices that everyone's going to be excited about, you have to remember we're going to see this resistance that we had trouble breaking through in another future. In our future, and this is what I'm trying to say, this will be a past resistance that we will say, wow, and it's going to be like a new support line. Remember I said this because I say some things and this is very important. So right now is what we're doing is we're in like a hodl kind of state of mind with Anchor. There's not much we can do. It kind of sucks, honestly. The only excitement we have right now is that we got some green candle coming back up. My issue with that is that we're not above 16.8. Okay? So if you want to look at the very, very first price that we need to reach to be considered or to even be maybe considered back in a bullish market with this damn coin, because I'm getting mad looking at it because now you guys got me all excited. Ladies and gentlemen, you got me into this coin. I was excited about the coin. Then Visa came out with the PayPal announcement that they were going to accept cryptocurrency through the US dollar, and you could buy ostrich boots, and you could probably buy an NBA hat, and you could probably buy whatever the hell you want. Bitcoin pillow, Ethereum pillow, engine pillow. Can you explain scalping? Do you think I should pull out a little when I double up or just keep patient? Scalping. I don't like to use that word. That's why I use dollar cost averaging in and out. It's a big deal, but we'll go over that too eventually. We're gonna go over everything because you just name it in the comments section. If I don't say nothing about it, then bring it up again. But I will pay attention to what you say, and if you bring it up, I will try to go over it. This is my thought process on Anchor. This is just for Anchor, so we're just going to talk strictly on Anchor. I plan for this to be a 10, 11-minute video. We got 2 more minutes left, so we got to get our butts moving. Look at the rest of the market. This is what I do. I pay attention to the rest of the market. Isn't it amazing that Ethereum is no longer in the 1800s? Pay attention to that kind of stuff. Ethereum, this is an Ethereum token. This is the mommy, right? So Bitcoin's the daddy, Ethereum's the mommy, and Cardano. I hate to tell you, but Cardano's the spoiled little brat. These are your 3 top coins as far as network, as far as market cap. There's your 3 market cap coins. 1, 2, 3. If you ask me, that's where it is. Bitcoin is clearly the number 1 coin. Ethereum is clearly the number 2 coin. And if you look at the market cap on Ethereum, on ADA, it is. Will Ethereum miners engage in a 51% attack to maintain high profits? This just came out. They're going crazy with the mining. They want more money. The gas fees are going through the roof. This is why July can't get here fast enough. Because if you think 1900 is nice, I'm actually scared. I think Ethereum is going to go through, come right back down. It's kind of scary because Ethereum is having problems with the gas fees. All right, so this is what we're going to do. Prices. Real quick, I want to do Cardano really fast. I want to teach some people. Cardano. I don't have any on Coinbase. I don't need it. I have so much Cardano on another platform. I don't like talking about all my platforms. I have Cardano on 2 other platforms. All right, so besides Coinbase. I love Cardano. Cardano is the sheet that you put on your bed. So, what was I going? The market cap, I want you to pay attention. 38.3 billion. It is the 15th most held coin. When we go to prices here, there it is. On Coinbase, Cardano is considered the number 3 coin. We went from the number 1, the mommy, the daddy, right? This is how I remember this. This is how you can. I might have screwed you up. Daddy, mommy, and the spoiled little brat. And you know why? Because Bitcoin was made, and then they made Ethereum off the Bitcoin, and then that was the number 2 coin because of the market cap size and how excellent it's been doing. 1.1 trillion. Imagine when we hit 9 trillion, 3 trillion. How it's going to be sick. Cardano, 38.2 billion, 222 billion market cap. Do you understand of the company size, the value of the company, on how big this is? This is insane prices. Uniswap, number 4 coin. I mean, you have to look at this stuff. Chainlink, we're going to go over a video in Chainlink. Chainlink not just happened, but Chainlink went with the NFT world. I don't know if anyone's paying attention. Man, love your vids. I'm ready to go to the moon with all of you. Austin Montoya, we're going to the moon, no doubt, Cub Scout. And that's not a diss on Cub Scout. It just rhymes, and I like it with the times. Uniswap, Litecoin, Chainlink, Filecoin. Look at the top 10 coins. USD coin, we know what that is, but you have to understand in the market cap value of where the money is. I want to talk eventually about Graph. Graph is, and if anybody studies the internet, GRT is an Ethereum token. This has been lagging for a long time. No one's paying attention to it. A decentralized protocol for indexing and querying data from blockchains. We've done nothing but blockchaining and decentralized, dealing with all of this since the beginning of time with all of this. And I'll tell you, it hasn't been doing many moves. I've been paying attention to its network, and it's starting to grow. What did I do? I took $100 left in my storage, and I just threw it to hell in Graph. I have some, that's it. That's what I have. I have 50 friggin' shares of Graph. I don't really care, but I'm telling you the development. They compared it to the Google of, there it is, just as Google indexes the web, Graph indexes the blockchain data networks like Ethereum and Filecoin. Whenever you compare something to Google, you get my attention. What are your favorite April plays, and what's your anchor prediction? Well, that's a great question, James. I'm not going to lie, that's an excellent question, and we shall go over that right now because I do like it. When we say anchor prediction, I need you to say for the month of April, or are we talking for the year of 2021? Are we talking about its biggest growth cap? It's a really, I really need details of your question, and I don't mean to sound like a real ignorant jerk. The answers to those questions are very different. They vary completely. If I say, what are we going to go up tonight? You know what I mean? Now you understand what I'm saying? Tonight, our price will be $16.80, like 16 cents, almost hovering 17. I mean, that's I don't know what you mean exactly, so I'm not being wise, James, but that's an answer for tonight. When I'm going to sleep tonight, I expect Anchor to hover around this price. We're going to start moving up. If it doesn't break through this price and you see another red candle, now look, let's go to the hourly so I can give you a better understanding of what I'm talking about. This is a nice candle, by the way. Woo! We almost got our confirmation that we're chilling. I like this. I like this. Okay, hold on. All right, this is how you know. This is how you know when you could be done. All right. I got to get this. I need more candle. Hold on. Sometimes TradingView could be a pain in the balls. You have to work it. There's the W I thought we were getting. Okay, we did get the W. All right, so we're getting a confirmation of a W breakout. That's it right there. That is your confirmation right now. When we get to 1680, this is so exciting, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so glad everyone's on. Both. Unsure if this is a long-term or a short-term play for me. I think this is a long-term as far as 2021. Does that make sense? 2021, I plan on rocking Anchor out until Ethereum shows what happens in July. August, we could be 10,000K Ethereum. And then what does that sound? How much? 1,900 Ethereum, and I'm telling you by August, before September, we could be 10,000 Ethereum. Are you interested in Anchor? You know, the problem is Anchor will move with Ethereum, and Bitcoin will move with them all, and that's what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin moves everything. So let me explain to you. This breakout just happened. We touched 1650, and I'm trying to tell you that we need to break up to 16.8. So we need to see almost the 17 mark. If this W breaks out, and now this is an hourly, we have 29 minutes for the next candle. 29 minutes, if we can get another candle in the 29-minute frame, right? And it's going to be here now, obviously. We're in the 21-hour March. I'm telling you right now, as we get closer and closer into the daily ending, that's what we needed to see. Did we just end on the daily? We did. We did. Holy smokes, I apologize. We should have went to the daily on ANKR. But guess what? We did it. We didn't close the video, and we're here. Look at the daily on ANKR. We're in the month of April. Do you understand how this works? We are now physically in the month of April for the daily chart for ANKR. Everybody, guess what? Wall Street Pete is pretty excited right now. You should be too. Hit that like and subscribe button. Let's make some sick dough in crypto. This is a great sign. The beginning of the month, April, has now decided to start open with a green candle, even though it's not April in the Eastern time in the U.S. This is huge. This goes by the time of the market. The market is 24 hours. This is awesome. Will it continue after Coinbase's direct listing on NASDAQ? That should continue. There is no reason why they should have that change, Joseph. I do not see any of that changing. Why would they want to do that? That would hurt their growth. The only way they would get and leave there is if it was hurting everything to do with the network. When XRP was on Coinbase in January. XRP is not on Coinbase. When it was a high volume. It was too much volume. Coinbase wasn't putting their money back into their platform, and Coinbase sucked. Coinbase has now got top guys in the game, top tokens. Coinbase stepped their game up big time. Go to Coinbase Pro, go to regular Coinbase, and then check Binance. It's a really good one. If you live in the U.S., go to Binance US. If you don't live in the U.S. and you're outside of the U.S., then just go to the Binance. This is an excellent candle. This is a celebration moment. I am going to get ready to get off as I give my prediction. I am really super souped about this. We're opening up the month with a very big candle, and do you know what that is? That's my green dot indicator. Do you see that? We have a large candle on my green dot indicators. I will tell you right now, I will go to my hourly again. I will look sharp, and I will say, I am confident that by looking at this candle, when we break above the 16.8 mark and we start touching right here at the $16.917, 17 cents, I want to say $17, 17 cents, we are officially in the uptrend. So get ready. As long as this next candle in the hour, and I wish I could stay for another 26 minutes, doesn't start doing this, you don't start seeing this. Let's change it. Right? As long as you don't start seeing those, we're going to be good. We're going to be all right. If it starts doing that, let me explain to you something, because this is really important before we get off. If these candles start falling like this, but yet it does this, we're still golden. My worry is the price to fall down is right here. This is what you got to worry about. 15.6. 15.6, 15.5. Look at the 15.5 price. If we come back down on these candles and we start going down to 15.5 and we don't get a bounce, we are still in the downward falling trend. We are still falling. Do you hear me? It'll still do this, and it'll suck, and we'll be miserable, and we'll see 14 cents again. But guess what? Wall Street Pete's got your back. I don't think that's happening. I truly, 100%, if I had a bullet to my head, a gun to my head, with the bullet in there, obviously, as silly as that sounds, I had to tell you, we are going to start moving in the upward trend. The bullish trend is over, and we should be excited. I want to get rid of this. It's annoying. So get excited. This is a really big bullish move. This W is exciting. The resistance we hit here is still exciting. As we change to the next hourly candle and we get off, and you're sitting here thinking about this video, you're going to be like, yep, he was right, son of a B. We'll be up in the upward trend. We're going to be moving like this. As I get off, I want to show you. And you know what? I'm going to leave this like this. So when we wake up in the morning, let's pay attention and see how this filled out. Because what's going to happen is you won't see any prices lower than 15.3, 15.5, because it's going to be going up. That's my confident prediction. What's my confident price prediction? For the summer, for Ethereum token, ANKR. If you see this movement, if you look at Ethereum when Ethereum first came out, and I'm doing this for a reason. I'm going to Ethereum. I want people to see this. I want to see the body length. It was very similar. It had a very dead steady move across. A lot of sideways action. Whenever you get sideways action, boring like that, and you start getting waves, as you see here. And if we zoomed out more, I'm not going to really go crazy. You would see these big spiked waves. That's very big sign for a huge move coming. So now let's get back to it. Right? Engine's looking healthy, by the way. Engine's probably going to go back up from 250, 255 nonstop. Where is it? I lost my mind. Okay, so before we get off, I know I've been trying to get off. How long now? What a pain in the butt. Come on. There it is. Okay, so what I wanted to tell you with that is just pay attention. It's very important. I think we're going to get another green candle. That's my prediction. Another green candle, we're going to start going up in the uptrend. As I told you, this price here already confirmed that we went above on the 16.2 and we hit this 16.5. It's telling me, want to see something else real quick, what you do? Here are the stars. Here are my favorites on TradingView. You can go in here and you can do your own EMA, right? You can do a lot of different things. You can do your relative strength index chart. You can do all different types. Google some patterns that make you happy. Work with them. Wall Street Pete's favorite, and I figure since everybody loves ANKR, let's work together on the DMI. Look what the hell's happening on my DMI chart. You see this? Blue buying power is going up, and my resistance is falling. My support now needs to come up a little more, but it's already where we want it to be on my DMI. So listen, this is an upward trend. We are officially going to be confirmed up at the 16.8. Let's go. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. Have a wonderful night. I will take a little peek at what you're talking about, Terp, in a minute. Wall Street Pete, Sicto, and crypto. Have a great night. I'm going to get some good sleep. Make sure you get some good sleep. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Peace in it. Peace out.